Hello friends, today we are going to see how to make a paper boomerang. First, fold this A4 sheet into half. Make it as accurate as possible so it will fly freely. Make these edges sharp and then cut this sheet into half. We're only going to need half the sheet to make one boomerang. And then take this sheet and fold it into half again. Again, make it as accurate as possible. And then uh, fold this edge into near center, not exactly the center, near center. Again, do it on the other side. Now fold this paper into half vertically. All these folds must be straight and neat. There should not be any air bubbles. And then take this edge and fold it into near center again. Do this on both sides. And then make it sharp by inverting the fold. And then take this fold out, take one side out, turn it back, and then make this star very neat. And then fold this again, turn this again, take this corner and do it like this to first do this one, and then take this part and put that inside here like this, so you get something like this, and then fold it like this and fold it like this on the upper side. Okay, do it exactly like me to make it fly. And take this out, put this first and then insert it back. And then take this part out, fold the corners, try to make it same on both sides. If it's equal, it would be better. Take this out and fold it like this. And make it like this. And then insert it to make it as a hold. And do the same on the other side. Again, take this out press it inside, and then insert it to make the hole. That's it. Now you get the boomerang. Now we are going to try it to fly. Hold the boomerang like this. Here, grab this end and keep it like this, and then throw it straight up, not down but straight up, okay, to make it come back, and then it will come back. If you throw it with an extra force, it will come back as fast, like this.